Planning to ship your car to Santiago, Chile? Whether you're relocating, buying, or selling a vehicle, here's your essential guide to costs, methods, and key considerations. Shipping a car to Santiago typically costs between $3,100 and $3,200, depending on factors like shipping method and vehicle type. For example, New York to Santiago, $3,100. 21 days Los Angeles to Santiago, $2,000, 24 days. Phoenix to Santiago, $2,000. 24 days Memphis to Santiago, $1,300, 21 days. Delivery times generally range from 21 to 24 days, influenced by route and transport method. Two primary shipping methods are available: roll-on/roll-off, RoRo. Vehicles are driven directly onto and off the vessel. It's a cost-effective and faster option, but may expose your car to weather and debris. Container shipping. Vehicles are placed inside a secure container, offering protection from weather and potential damage. It's ideal for high-value or classic cars, but comes at a higher cost. Choose based on your budget, timeline, and the value of your vehicle. To ship your car, ensure you have the following documents: Certificate of Title and Registration, Original Bill of Lading, OBL, Commercial Invoice or Proof of Purchase, Notarized Declaration for used vehicles, Insurance Certificate. Having these documents in order will help expedite the shipping process. Before shipping, ensure your vehicle complies with Chile's import regulations. Vehicles must comply with Euro 6C emissions standards. Foreigners can only import a new vehicle. Returning Chileans can import one new or used vehicle if they've been abroad for over 12 months. Duties and taxes: 6% import duty plus 19% VAT on CIF value. Researching local vehicle regulations or consulting with a local garage can confirm your car will pass without extra modifications. Experience with international vehicle transport, proper licensing and insurance coverage, reliable customer reviews and track record, transparent pricing, and timely updates. A trusted transport provider ensures safe and efficient delivery while minimizing risks. To ensure a hassle-free experience, book your shipment in advance, especially during peak seasons. Communicate clearly about pickup and delivery locations. Inspect your vehicle upon arrival and document its condition. Taking these steps can save you time and reduce potential issues. Shipping your car to Santiago doesn't have to be complicated. With the right preparation and knowledge, you can ensure a smooth and timely delivery.